In video 5, square drives and wrenches. In this video we're going to cover square drives and wrenches. So here are some basic wrenches: an adjustable, an open end, a box end, an ignition wrench, a 1/4-inch square drive, ratchet handle and socket, and a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar and socket. This breaker bar has a flexible head, which is nice because you can use it at an angle for final tightening or loosening, or you can put it straight and use it like a screwdriver. And there are the 3 most popular square-inch drive sizes, although they do make larger sizes. And here's a look inside of a typical tool cabinet drawer. You have a lot of choices when it comes to ratchet handles. Let's take a look at a 1/4-inch drive handle, and here's a nice set of metric 6-point deep sockets and a matching set of fractional 6-point deep sockets. They're called SAE for Society of Automotive Engineers. There are some special wrenches used by plumbers and tube fitters. Tube fitters often need to use 2 identical wrenches, so the wrenches can be pushed against each other like scissors. And you can use one hand to do your final tightening. There are even adapters to go from the 1/4-inch square drive to a 1/4-inch hex drive. You can never have too many tools. Sockets are used to turn hex head machine screws and hex nuts, and they come in 2 different types: a 6-point and a 12-point. I recommend not buying 12-point sockets because you don't have as much contact surface with the nut or hex head machine screw. Box end wrenches also come in 6-point and 12-point versions. In this case, I recommend the 12-point version for a box end wrench because that gives you more angles to turn the wrench in tight locations. The world was made by tools. I hope you have found this video helpful.